So guys, we're back and it's cappuccino time. So grabbing my handle again, giving it a purge, get rid of all the old grounds, giving it a wipe, keeping it clean, onto the scale. Again, for the 18 grams of freshly ground coffee, like the Northern Barista perfect espresso recipe linked below. Touch more, that should be absolutely bob on, and it is. 18 grams on the nose, giving it a tamp. So where this differs though, for a cappuccino we use a single shot instead of a double like the macchiato and the Americano. We're going to use a single shot of espresso, so I'm just going to split that and use the other one as a spare there. Guys, onto the milk. As always, we are filling our jug just to above the spout, as you can see. Purging my wand, get rid of all that steam, excess water, and I'm stretching it a good amount of stretch because I want it nice and foamy for a cappuccino. And then we're getting that vortex. I don't want any noise now. Oh, you don't want that little kick, but I'll be able to salvage that. Correct temperature, turned it off, just giving those little bubbles a little knock. I'm ready to pour. So I've got a single shot of espresso, and I've got my nice frothy cappuccino milk, just getting rid of the excess head. And then we are ready to pour. Nice foamy, raising that crema, getting it in. Nice frothy cappuccino. Bit of chocolate. The guys haven't filled it up during the service, but that'll do. Cappuccino, the Northern Barista way.